Hello guys, welcome. Welcome back on a Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how do you get all the driver that are required for any operating system, for any PC, any laptops or any computer. As we know that there are so many softwares required on this. Just I have installed a operating system now, we need to go for driver all the either it is a graphics, USB as well as Wi-Fi. So just have a connected internet connection with the help of data cable. And thereupon just we will come in a search bar and we will write here DE. Don't have to go on any official website, guys. Just you have to write DEVI show. Just after all, we have to pick here this device manager. And thereupon, first and foremost, we will go in a monitor and we will update it. So it's already done. Now this one can I update? So it's a manual way, but if we don't, then of course we have another option also. We have to go in a here, write a window update, guys. So can I go for? Now see here, it has automatically detected here. So now I will click on install and download. So I will maximize it. So now see guys, it's all installing and downloading. So of course we will have to wait here, or directly we can. So as we see here, 1% is completed. So it will take a scarcely 5 to 10 minutes, guys, and just you have to come in a update and click on here. So it will start to automatically download and installed all the software that is required. Now see, it's also recommending these ones, all the driver here. Specifically you can. Now see, just we can click here to download. So it's downloading, guys. Now as we see here, firstly this will complete, then of course. Now see, it has also completed 100%. This one also 100%. Now automatically it's installing, guys. So what you say, it's an easy way. Don't go to a download particular driver from any official or particular website. Now see, all the graphics also taken, guys. Now see, yes, graphics, everything has a taken, guys. And quickly, now it's demanding just you can go for restart and everything is yours. So before restarting, firstly I have to fix the resolution here. So just here, let me, as we see here, guys, some of the still is downloading and installing. So what we will do here, just simply we will come in a display setting and we will fix the resolution here. So this is a, I will have 150, that's enough. Yeah, now it's a good one. So as we see here, guys, now we will come on this. Now see, everything is a brightness, all have it's taken already. Now it's asking that we need to, yeah, require this restart. So still this one is a pending, and this is when 71% is completed. So furthermore, we will wait here 5 to 10 minutes to complete install, because it's a 70% is this one we have completed. So we will restart it, but later. And still any software, see, all the driver came in a once time, guys. If any driver particular that is not installed, then of course I would like to show you that directly you can, from here you can install it. But right now, as we see, I would like to check it out, the Wi-Fi. Yes, Wi-Fi, see here. Right now it's not cam here, so it will take a scarcely, yeah, actually I will have to connect Wi-Fi, especially ports, and then of course it will connect, because directly we have a connected with the help of data cable. So don't worry, guys, all the driver will be connected. So now this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. Now as we see here, this gonna 100% is, so of course it will take a scarcely hands 1 minute 2 minutes to complete all the. So this is all about. Thank you very much indeed. If it is informative and knowledgeable, then don't forget like and subscribe these channels, because this is a thing that will really inspire me to make more and more video such as informative, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time. Bye bye.